My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Computer Applications 4th semester subject Data Science using Python, as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 1 first important short question is: define data science. Data science means using data to understand things and make better decisions. It is like solving a mystery using numbers and facts. We collect data, clean it, study it, and then find useful results. Example: think of Swiggy or Zomato. They use data science to know what food people order the most in Mumbai on weekends. This helps them give better offers or recommend top dishes. Data science using Python. Python is a popular language used in data science because it is simple to write and read. It has tools like Pandas to handle data, Matplotlib to make charts, and scikit-learn to predict future trends. Remember like this: data is like ingredients. Python is the kitchen. Data science is the recipe to make something useful. So, data science helps companies like Flipkart, Ola, and Paytm make smart decisions using Python. Next important short question is: 2. Define data analysis. Data analysis means studying data to find useful information. It's like looking at your exam marks to understand which subject you are good at and where you need to improve. Example: suppose a teacher in Chennai has marks of 100 students. By doing data analysis using Python, she can easily find out how many students passed, average marks, who scored highest and lowest. This helps the teacher improve her teaching or support weak students. Data analysis using Python. Python makes data analysis easy with tools like Pandas to organize and filter data, Matplotlib to make charts and graphs, NumPy to do fast calculations. Easy to remember. Data is like a puzzle. Analysis is solving the puzzle. Python is your smart helper. Companies like Bijus, Amazon, and Big Basket use data analysis to grow their business. Next important short question is: 3. What is Python? Python is a very popular and easy to learn programming language. It helps us tell the computer what to do using simple English-like commands. Example: imagine you want to find the average marks of students. In Python, you can do this in just a few lines of code like marks is equal to 80, 90, 70. Average is equal to sum, marks, lay, marks. Print average. Python is used in data science to handle data, make charts, and even predict future results. It has useful libraries like Pandas for data handling, Matplotlib for drawing graphs, scikit-learn for machine learning. Easy to remember. Python is like a smart assistant. You give it data and it gives you answers. It's simple, powerful, and fun to learn. Companies like Google, Netflix, and TCS use Python every day. Next important short question is: 4. What is identifier in Python? An identifier in Python is the name you give to things like variables, functions, or classes. It helps the computer know what data you are talking about. Example: if you write marks is equal to 90. Here, marks is the identifier. It stores the value 90. Rules for identifiers: can use letters AZ, digits 0 to 9, and underscore underscore. Cannot start with a number. No spaces or special symbols like at, hash, dollar. Correct identifiers. Name, total underscore marks, student 1. Wrong identifiers. 1 name, total marks, student at ID. Easy to remember. Identifier is like a name tag. It tells Python what you are referring to. Use simple and meaningful names. In data science using Python, we use identifiers like data, age, salary, etc. to work with large datasets. Next Unit 1. Important long questions. First important long question is: discuss about data science components and applications. What is data science? Data science is the process of collecting, cleaning, studying, and using data to make smart decisions. It's like being a detective who finds hidden answers in numbers and facts. Main components of data science. 1. Data collection. Collecting data from different sources like websites, apps, surveys, etc. Example: Swiggy collects food order data from users. 2. Data cleaning. Removing wrong or missing data to make it useful. Example: fixing spelling mistakes or blank values in student marks. 3. Data analysis. Studying data to find patterns and insights. Example: a school analyzing exam results to find the average score. 4. Data visualization. Showing data using charts and graphs. Tools in Python, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Example: showing sales growth using a bar graph. 5. Machine learning. Teaching computers to make predictions using past data. Example: Amazon suggesting products based on your shopping history. Applications of data science used in daily life. 1. E-commerce. Flipkart and Amazon use data science to recommend products and offer discounts. 2. Education. Bijus uses it to personalize learning based on student performance. 3. Healthcare. Hospitals use data science to predict diseases and suggest treatments. 4. Transport. Ola and Uber use it to decide fares, routes, and driver availability. 5. Banking. Banks use it to detect fraud and approve loans. Easy to remember formula. Data science is equal to collect plus clean plus analyze plus visualize plus predict. Python is the best friend of data scientists because it makes all these steps easy with powerful libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Next important long question is: 2. Write about different data science job roles. Data science is a fast-growing field with many exciting jobs. All these roles help companies make smart decisions using data. Let's understand the most popular ones with simple examples. 1. Data scientist. A data scientist finds hidden patterns in data and gives smart insights. Example: a data scientist at Zomato finds out that most people in Delhi order biryani on Sundays. Tools used: Python, Pandas, scikit-learn. 2. Data analyst. A data analyst studies past data to answer business questions. Example: a data analyst at Flipkart checks last month's sales to find the best-selling product. Tools used: Excel, Python, Pandas, Matplotlib. 3. Data engineer. They build systems to collect and store big data safely and quickly. Example: a data engineer at Paytm creates a system to store crores of transaction records daily. Tools used: SQL, Python, Big Data Tools, Hadoop, Spark. 4. Machine learning engineer. They build models that help computers learn and make predictions. Example: at Netflix, An ML engineer helps build the movie recommendation system. Tools used: Python, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn. 5. Business analyst. They connect the technical team and the business team. They focus more on business strategy. Example: a business analyst at Ola helps the team decide where to add more cabs during peak hours. Tools used: Excel, SQL, Power BI. Easy to remember tip. Scientists analyze, engineers build, analysts explain, ML engineers predict. All these roles use Python because it's easy, powerful, and perfect for handling data. Learning Python and data science skills can help you get a great job in top companies like TCS, Infosys, Amazon, and Google. Next important long question is: 3. Discuss in detail about various data science tools in detail. Data science tools help us collect, clean, study, and visualize data. These tools make the work easier and faster, just like how a calculator helps you do maths quickly. Let's look at the most useful data science tools, especially those used with Python. 1. Pandas. Pandas is like Excel in Python. It helps in reading, cleaning, and analyzing data. Example: if you have a CSV file of student marks, Pandas can help you find the average, highest, and lowest scores easily. Import Pandas as PD. Data is equal to pd.read_csv, marks.csv. Print data.mean. 2. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is used to make graphs and charts from data. Example: you can create a bar graph to show sales of different products. 3. Scikit-learn. This tool is used for machine learning, teaching computers to make smart decisions. Example: it can predict if a person will buy a product based on age and salary. 4. NumPy. NumPy is used for fast mathematical operations. It's great for working with numbers and arrays. Example: you can use it to quickly add to large lists of numbers. 5. Seaborn. Seaborn makes prettier and more detailed graphs than Matplotlib. Example: use it to show trends and relationships in your data. 6. Jupyter Notebook. It's like a digital notebook where you can write Python code, see results, and add notes all in one place. Very useful for students and data scientists. Easy to remember trick. Pandas reads, NumPy calculates, Matplotlib and Seaborn draw, Scikit-learn predicts, Jupyter displays. All these tools work smoothly with Python and are used by big companies like Infosys, Swiggy, and Netflix. Next important long question is: 4. Difference between data science and BI. Data science and business intelligence, BI, both help in using data to make decisions, but they are different in purpose and method. Let's understand the difference in a simple way. Business intelligence, BI past and present. BI focuses on what has happened and what is happening now. It uses reports, dashboards, and charts to help businesses make current decisions. Example: a shop owner uses BI to see last month's sales report and finds that more people bought winter clothes. BI tools: Power BI, Tableau, Excel. Data science, present and future. Data science goes beyond reports. It not only shows what happened, but also predicts what will happen in the future using machine learning and advanced algorithms. Example: a company uses data science to predict how many winter clothes will sell next month based on weather and past sales. Data science tools: Python, Pandas, Scikit-learn, R, Jupyter Notebook. Key differences. Feature business intelligence by data science. Focus what happened. Past and present, what will happen. Future prediction. Tools Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Python, R, Pandas, Scikit-learn. Skills needed: basic analytics, charts, dashboards, programming, statistics, machine learning. Output: reports, graphs, dashboards, predictions, models, insights. Who uses it? Managers, decision makers, data scientists, analysts, engineers. Easy to remember tip. BI tells the story of the past. Data science writes the story of the future. Both are useful. BI is great for regular business reporting. Data science is powerful for deep analysis and smart predictions using Python. Next important long question is 5. What are the challenges of data science technology? Data science is a powerful and fast-growing technology, but it also has some challenges that make it difficult to use sometimes. Let's understand them in easy language. 1. Data collection. To do data science, we need a lot of data. But collecting the right and useful data is not always easy. Example, a mobile company wants to know why users are uninstalling their app, but they don't have full user feedback data. 2. Data cleaning. Many times, data is dirty, it has spelling mistakes, missing values, or wrong formats. Cleaning this data takes a lot of time and effort. Example, a student marks file may have some students with missing or incorrect marks. 3. Data privacy and security. Handling personal data, like age, phone number, income, must be done carefully. There are rules to protect people's privacy. Example, a bank using customer data must keep it safe from hackers. 4. Lack of skilled people. Data science needs skills in Python, maths, and thinking with data. Not everyone has these skills yet, especially in smaller towns. 5. Handling big data. When data becomes very large, like crores of records, normal computers and tools may not work properly. It needs special systems and tools. 6. Choosing the right model. In machine learning, choosing the wrong algorithm can give bad results. Example, if a company uses the wrong model to predict product demand, it may overstock or run out of stock. Easy to remember tip. Right data, clean data, safe data, smart people, big tools, and good models, these are needed for perfect data science. Despite challenges, data science with Python is still growing fast. Learning step by step can help students in India build a bright future in this field. Next important long question is 6. Explain different types of data analysis and its tools. Data analysis means studying data to find useful information. It helps companies, schools, and apps make better decisions. There are 4 main types of data analysis, and each one answers a different question. 1. Descriptive analysis. What happened? This type explains past data using charts, tables, and summaries. Example. A teacher checks last year's exam marks to find average scores. Tools: Excel, Python, Pandas, Power BI. 2. Diagnostic analysis. Why did it happen? This finds the reason behind a result. Example. If many students failed in maths, the teacher checks attendance or question paper difficulty to find the reason. Tools: Python, Pandas, Seaborn, Tableau. 3. Predictive analysis. What will happen next? This uses past data to guess future results using machine learning. Example. Amazon predicts what items you may buy next based on your shopping history. Tools. Python, scikit-learn, R, TensorFlow. 4. Prescriptive analysis. What should we do? This suggests the best action or solution. Example. A delivery app suggests the fastest route based on traffic and past delivery times. Tools. Python, AI tools, optimization models. Popular tools for data analysis. Python, best for all types of analysis. Pandas, for data handling. Matplotlib and Seaborn, for graphs. Scikit-learn, for predictions. Excel, for basic analysis. Power BI Tableau, for dashboards. Easy to remember trick. Describe, diagnose, predict, prescribe. 4 types of analysis, 4 steps to smart decisions. Data analysis using Python helps Indian students and companies find answers in data from marks to money, traffic to trends. Next important long question is 7. Discuss the features of Python. Python is a very popular and powerful programming language. It is used in data science, web development, automation, apps, and much more. One big reason why students love Python is because it's easy to learn and fun to use. Let's look at some main features of Python that make it perfect for data science. 1. Simple and easy to learn. Python has clean and simple English-like syntax. Example. Print, hello, world. Even a beginner can understand this. 2. Free and open source. Python is completely free to download and use. It's open source, which means anyone can use it and improve it. 3. Large collection of libraries. Python has powerful libraries that make data science easy. Pandas for data analysis. Matplotlib and Seaborn for graphs. Scikit-learn for machine learning. NumPy for math and numbers. 4. Cross-platform. Python works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, so you can run your code anywhere. 5. Supports multiple uses. Python is used for data science, web development using Django, Flask, game development, machine learning and AI. 6. Strong community support. Millions of people use Python, so it's easy to find help, tutorials, and solutions online. 7. Dynamic typing. You don't need to define variable types. Python understands it automatically. Example. X is equal to 10 hash integer. X is equal to hello hash. Now it's a string. Easy to remember tip. Simple, free, powerful, everywhere. That's Python. Because of all these features, Python is the first choice for data science learners in India and around the world. Next important long question is 8. Write about data types in Python. In Python, data types tell the computer what kind of value we are working with, like numbers, text, or lists. Just like we use different containers to hold rice, water, or oil, Python uses different data types to store different kinds of information. Let's understand the most common data types in Python with simple examples. 1. Integer, int. Used to store whole numbers, without decimals. Example. Age is equal to 20. 2. Float, float. Used to store decimal numbers. Example. Price is equal to 99.50. 3. String, str. Used to store text, words, sentences, etc. Example. Name is equal to Rahul. 4. Boolean, bool. Stores true or false values. Mostly used in decision making. Example. Is underscore past is equal to true. 5. List, list. Used to store multiple values in one variable. Lists are changeable. Example. Marks is equal to 85, 90, 78. 6. Tuple. Like a list, but cannot be changed, read only. Example. Colors is equal to red, green, blue. 7. Dictionary, dict. Stores data in key-value pairs, like a mini database. Example. Student is equal to name Anjali, age 18, marks 92. Easy to remember tip. INT for numbers, STR for names, list for many, dict for pairs, and bool for true-false games. These data types are very useful in data science. For example, we store sales figures in lists, customer info in dictionaries, and use booleans for filters. I hope you understand easily each question. All the best, students, for your upcoming exam. For other subject, quick revision. Important questions. Previous question papers. And syllabus. Links are available in description. Check out once. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.